Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be opening up the Daily Goodie box. So I have not watched any videos of people opening this yet. I just received mine today. And in case it doesn't get posted today, today is February 10th. So let me go ahead and see if I can open this up. I do have my little helper right here. And believe me, sometimes she's not really a lot of help. So let's see, we're gonna open it up and this is what we see. And this is just a card reminding us to review the products, which I do. And let's see. All right, so I have a box over there, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna try not to get out of camera every time, but when I open something, I'm gonna have to put it over there because the dog will get to everything. So let me see if I could just pull this a little closer. Okay. All right, so the first thing I see is keto snack chips. That's what Brooklyn sees those too. So I am not on any kind of keto diet, but I'm willing to give them a try. They're by Genius Gourmet, and they're ranch. Let's go ahead and, I like ranch. Go ahead and try them. I've had a keto, oops, sorry about that. I've had a keto chocolate brownie before. I did not like it. I did not like the taste of the chocolate. So let's see. I like them. These are good. And probably because they're ranch, because I really like ranch a lot. I'm not going to actually put that back in there, but put it in the box. Okay, number one, love it. Second thing I received, it's in here. And let me go ahead and see what it is. This is North Coast Organic Apple Sauce Honey Crisp. Now, my daughter, my teenage daughter, does like applesauce. I think I might save this for her. I'm just looking at the expiration date down here. It has an expiration date and everything down here. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and let her try this. So this is by North Coast Organic, or by North Coast, and it's organic. Something like that. By the way, everything will be down in my description box as well of all these products. Okay, I have to put on my glasses, you guys. I do have my contacts in because I want blue eyes. That's the only reason I have my contacts in, because I want blue eyes, but I also want to see far away. But then I can't see up close. So here we go. All right, so this is Bambo Nature Snuggle Time Body Lotion for the love of babies, bees, birds, and trees. Let me smell this. I bet it's gonna be like a lavender scent, which is good if it is. Let's see. It's got a safety seal. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I will use this even though there's no babies in my house. Just Brooklyn, of course, which is down here, trying to sniff this. So, does it smell good, Brooke? Oh, let me see. I'm just gonna use some real quick. So let me just go ahead and put some on. You know, I really don't smell much of anything. I thought it would smell like lavender. It doesn't say lavender on it though, does it? I mean, I'm still smelling the keto chips on my hands, to be perfectly honest, that ranch scent. But it's nice lotion. I just figured with the purple and everything, I thought it would be lavender scented, but I am not seeing anywhere where it says that. So I just made that up. All right. Anyway, lotion, love it. Next thing in my box, Respiratory Detox Supplement. Let's see, it's right here. And It's a supplement. I'm just trying to read. Even with my glasses on, it's kind of hard. It says all natural, 100% vegetarian, gluten-free, non-GMO, healthy inflammatory response in the body and lungs to help promote overall health and wellness. Super herbs for advanced daily immune support. Okay, let me see. How exactly do you use this? I would need a magnifying glass, to be perfectly honest, to read all that. Let's see if I could figure out how to use this. Boy, I hope this video turns out and isn't a total train wreck, because I am just probably not prepared as I thought I would be. I even brought my glasses over here, so for sure I would be prepared to read the important parts of what I am opening up. So it doesn't, I can't read it. I don't know. If I can find out, I'll put it in here, 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 or something. So, but there it is. Let's see. It probably has a safety seal, and I'm not going to break it right now. So this was in my box, which is a good thing. God knows we all need something right now. You know, well, in my opinion, anyway, we do need something for what's going around. I know it's not preventable 100%, but it's good to try at least. Take your vitamins, be healthy. Cauliflower breadless. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So, and then she starts to bark again. So this is cauliflower breadless breading, lemon pepper. So I'm assuming this is kind of, well, I don't want to say like anything bad about any other company, but kind of like that one, like shake and bake stuff where you put your chicken or something in a bag and you shake it. I think these are just like little bread crumbs like that, and you can put chicken. Yeah, it says steak strips, chicken, pork chops, fish, or vegetables. So yeah, I'm probably going to use this. I don't see why not. I don't think anybody in my family would know that it's made from cauliflower. I don't think so. I don't think I've even ever had a cauliflower. Does it have a strong taste? I have no idea. But we'll try it and find out, won't we? All right, the next thing I received. These are Neuro mints, energy and focus. These are little mints. So I got something like this before, I think, from the Daily Goodie Box. I think it was gum, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was gum. Let's see, and it was good, by the way. It was very good. I don't know if it was by the same company, but it was super good. So it's a little pack, comes out like this. Very nice. They smell like peppermint. I can't tell you for sure if it's peppermint. Let me see. It just says, I don't know. It says powdered with natural caffeine. So it does have caffeine in it. There's 12 mints in here. I'm just trying to see if it says a flavor. It does smell like peppermint to me though. So got those. Looking forward to those. And all of you Mask Monday ladies, we got a mask. I'm not a Mask Monday lady, but I do masks. So this is really nice. This is by Bella. I don't know if I'm saying that right at all. But it's an ultra hydrating birch leaf face mask. Definitely looking forward to using this. And then I've got Banana Wave. This is banana milk. I think I'm gonna love this. I just, there's a coffee company. I'm not gonna say what brand or anything because this is not that brand's video. This belongs to these brands, this video in the Daily Goodie Box. But I just got some coffee and it was banana flavored coffee. It was an assorted pack with all different flavors, and it was at first I thought, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. It was so good. Yeah, I love anything with banana. So I know I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna refrigerate this, of course, before I drink it, just so it'll be nice and cold, but I know I'm gonna really like that. I love flavored milk and I love banana. So let me see the paperwork I got in here, because that was, I think, the last product. So this says, enjoy one free North Coast product on us. So I have a coupon for the North Coast product. Sometimes when I get these coupons, I cannot find them in my store, but I will look. Maybe I can just use it at North Coast Organic. It says, and this will be down in the description box as well, the websites for all these. So looking forward to trying that. And this is baby care. This was the lotion that I thought would be lavender smelling, but it wasn't. But it just shows all the things that they have. They have, you know, wipes and baby lotion and bath buddy, love balm, splish splash. So all sorts of things there. It's all eco-friendly. So I don't have a little baby, but that would be a good website to go to if I did. All right, now this is on that vitamin that I could not figure out how to take it. It says easy to take, liquid formation, fast absorption. The benefits is helps maintain a balanced, healthy lifestyle, immune system support, supports respiratory health, and promotes natural energy. So let's see, it just says there's 10 ingredients in here. I will also be leaving this in the description box down below to the website so you can read up on this. Here is a code you can scan right there if you want to go directly to their website. So I'm just trying to see again if it tells me the directions. I'm sure it would, but I don't want to keep you on here too long. It obviously has a lot of benefits to it. I'm sure the directions are somewhere on the package. I'm just going to have to get my little magnifying glass and try to read them. That is my daily goodie box, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And please leave a comment down below. Please like this video if you get a chance, and also please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget I have a giveaway going. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.